Yes, what's happening? These are Doritos honey roasted barbecue bits. Like, what? Like, I've never heard of these before. Has anyone else? I've just seen them in the shop, so I thought I'd try them. Let's give them a go. They're just Doritos, but broken up. Oh, they're good. They're really good. The honey barbecue is good because it's not too overpowering. Do you know what? These would be absolutely perfect if you're out in the sunshine having a pint. They're Moorish as well, so them types of crisps or whatever bits that you're just going to keep wanting, but 7 out of 10. Let me know what I should try next in the comments. Don't forget to like and follow. Absolutely buzzing.